Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change font size on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So right now I'm in a conversation, and as you can see the default font size showing up here. So I'm going to changing the font size. So I'm tapping on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tapping on settings, chats, and tap on font size. And now you can select small font or large font. So I'm going to select here large font. And now if I open any conversation, so here you can see the text has been enlarged. And now I'm going to making the font smaller. So I'm selecting here small. And now if I open any conversation, here you can see text has been smalled. So that's how we can change font size. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.